Ever found yourself staring at a sleek, modern card, wondering, is this going to drain my bank account now or later? You know, that moment of hesitation before you tap or swipe, especially when it comes to business finance tools? Today, we're diving deep into that very question with Airwallex. Specifically, is the Airwallex card a debit or credit card? Let's be real, understanding the difference is crucial. We're talking about cash flow, spending habits, and ultimately, your business's financial health. A credit card gives you spending power on borrowed money, with a promise to pay it back later, often with interest. A debit card, on the other hand, directly pulls funds from your existing account balance. So, which one is Airwallex? To get to the answer, we need to understand Airwallex's core function. Airwallex is primarily a global financial platform designed to help businesses manage international payments, collections, and expenses. Think of it as a powerhouse for businesses dealing with multiple currencies and cross-border transactions. They offer a range of services, including multi-currency accounts, local bank details in various regions, and, of course, their borderless cards. These cards, the Airwallex Visa Business Debit Cards, are intrinsically linked to your Airwallex multi-currency account. This means when you use your Airwallex card, the funds are debited directly from your available balance in the relevant currency within your Airwallex account. You're not borrowing money, you're spending what you already have. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The Airwallex card isn't just a simple debit card. It's designed for global flexibility. You can hold and spend in multiple currencies, meaning you can avoid those hefty foreign exchange fees that often plague traditional debit cards. When you make a purchase in a foreign currency, Airwallex automatically debits the corresponding balance from your account. If you don't have enough in that currency, it intelligently converts from your other balances at competitive exchange rates. This functionality makes it an incredibly powerful tool for businesses that operate internationally. Imagine a digital marketing agency paying for ads in euros, a software company subscribing to a service in US dollars, or an e-commerce business purchasing inventory in Chinese yuan. With Airwallex, you can manage these transactions seamlessly, all through one card linked to your multi-currency account. Think of it as having multiple debit cards, each in a different currency, all consolidated into one physical or virtual card. This eliminates the need for multiple bank accounts or constantly converting currencies, saving you time and money. Another key feature is the control it offers. You can set spending limits, freeze and unfreeze cards instantly, and track all transactions in real time through the Airwallex platform. This level of control is essential for managing business expenses and preventing unauthorized spending. So, to reiterate, the Airwallex card is a debit card, but it's a debit card built for the modern, global business. It's not about extending credit, it's about providing efficient, transparent, and cost-effective access to your existing funds across multiple currencies. This distinction is important. While credit cards offer the benefit of delayed payments and potential rewards, debit cards provide the advantage of staying within your budget and avoiding debt. Airwallex focuses on empowering businesses to manage their cash flow effectively, which aligns perfectly with the debit card model. In essence, Airwallex's card is a vital tool for businesses seeking to streamline their international financial operations. It offers the convenience of a debit card with the flexibility of a multi-currency account, all within a secure and user-friendly platform. It's designed to make global transactions as simple as local ones. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.